Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is November weekly reading from November 16th to November 22nd. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio water sign. So under the deck, 10 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, the Fool, King of Cups with 9 of Swords. Maybe some of you are thinking about something a lot. Yeah, maybe it is disturbing your sleep patterns here because you are losing your nights here. You are not sleeping well, Scorpio, and you have very strong emotions towards someone here, or for some a brand new person is entering in your life to offer their cup of love to you, and you want to take leap of faith and you want to be in this energy, but for you there is some money loss. Be careful with your money, because 5 of Pentacles, there is a chance for money loss, and 10 of Pentacles, but you will be careful because 10 of Pentacles, you will achieve financial stability, even though for some there will be money loss. After you will regain it. Yes, you will regain it. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Pentacles, 4 of Cups, and the Empress. So in recent past, you are missing someone, or you are missing something, or you are feeling bored, and you just want to focus on your money, and you just focus on your work, and you are doing that. You are focusing on your career, and you or on your power in recent past, the Empress mode, emotionally very strong person. Then present, Magician, 10 of Wands, and 6 of Cups. Maybe you're doing a lot of work, you have no time here, that's why you're feeling overburdened, and you're manifesting someone in your life. 6 of Cups. Maybe you're thinking about someone a lot. Maybe you both have a strong soulmate or past life connection with each other. Then future, Knight of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and the Sun. So someone is rushing towards you with a lot of passion. For some, it could be a brand new person. Definitely you have options here, Scorpio. Ace of Pentacles with Sun. Very, very positive changes and big happiness is coming towards you, because the Sun, happiness, and Ace of Pentacles, stability in career, stability in finances, and new opportunities, new beginnings in relationship. Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment. Someone want to offer long-term commitment to you. I think future is very, very good for you, Scorpio, and the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Wow, Ace of Cups with Princess of Pentacles. They do love you, and their love towards you is overflowing, and there is text is coming. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Maybe you're dealing with another Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius. So let's see their intentions also. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. Okay. Under the deck, 4 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, and 8 of Pentacles. They really want to work on this relationship. For some, your person is also very workaholic person. They also working on their goals. Three of Pentacles, but they want partnership with you. Maybe they're realizing your worth. Now they really want to come forward and to offer partnership, but they're taking their time. Maybe they're planning something big here. Seven of Pentacles. There is some waiting game is going between you and your person. Yeah, they're missing you. Definitely they're missing you. They're missing your company. They're missing your calls. They're missing your texts. So the current feelings, death, star and seven of wands. For some, it was ended between you and your person, but they want a fresh new start with you, and they're hoping, they're wishing for this connection, and they will fight for you. Yes, seven of wands. They're ready to face obstacles in this relationship, and they're making their mind. And their intentions, the lovers, Knight of Pentacles and Nine of Swords. They're losing their knights over you, Scorpio. That's why they want to offer their love to you, and they want to offer their offer to you, because Knight of Pentacles, they are very, very serious about you, because they do love you, because the Lover's card is here. That's why they can't let you go. You are on their mind 24/7. Finally, they are making their move towards you, but they are in slow moving, because knights are always in slow moving, but they are serious about you. They really want rebirth in this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, Knight of Cups. If they did hurt you, they want to say apology, and they're thinking about you in a very positive way. They want to reconcile with you if you are in separation. If not, they want to take this relationship to next level, and they want to leave behind everything which had happened between you and your person, like disputes, differences, and they are manifesting you. I think they are crazy about you, or they are crazy over you. You want partnership, you want equal give and take. Yeah, this is a mutual love. You both could be soulmates. But they broke your trust. Now you are on your power. For some, maybe you still have fears regarding this person. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Scorpio. Seven of Wands. Queen of Cups. Eight of Wands. Definitely they're going to be communicate with you. You will receive communication here. And you both missing, and you both have strong emotions towards each other, but you are not showing your emotions, Scorpio. You are in defensive mode. But you both missing and thinking about each other a lot. Yeah. But you will receive communication from your person, and then it's up to you what to do, what not to do. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Scorpio. Holding back. Communication is coming, yes, and soulmates. Holding back, communication is coming, and soulmates are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. Emotions are running high, Super Moon. So if your emotions are running high, you are thinking about something or someone a lot emotionally. So do meditation. Meditate and contemplate. See, new moon in Pisces. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. Definitely, if you're emotionally weak or going through something a lot, this is the message for you. Do meditation, and it's time to take action. New moon in Aries. Maybe you're dealing with Aries here. So for some, those who want to take action towards something, this is the message for you. It's time to take action. This is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.